Never cook pork a day in my life. We love the life. We love the life. Hot. One thing to know about Canadians, I'm like, I think 1:30 for the Hey guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to another video from Life with Tiffy. Today is Tuesday, so we're starting the vlog on a Tuesday. Guys, I put on some lip balm. Can make it look like my mouth white. I promise you my mouth is not white, it's lip balm. It's Tuesday evening and I'm about to do something that I've never done before. I'm gonna cook pork. Never cooked pork a day in my life, but my husband already seasoned it up. I think I'm the chef really, you know, me just the sous chef. But I'm gonna make this happen. So I'm gonna cook it down. I'm gonna fry it up a bit and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. So it's like a jerk oven pork chop kind of situation. Have some recipes that was already there from Sunday. So we're gonna eat it with that. So I'm gonna get the good old Dutch pot. It's clean. Let's throw it onto the stove. If this is your first time coming onto my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload my videos. And yeah, well, let's get into it. I tried something different, you know, because I stew it down, but no, smells so good. Smells so good. And my husband is a cook, so I know it's gonna taste good because I know I'm seasoning it up and bevel it down. So let me quickly show you what I have working with. So it was already seasoned, it was in the fridge, so I'll put it to thaw out. Okay, so as you saw, I put the pork in just to fry it up a little bit, and then I also started the oven, so the oven is now preheating to 375. Then what I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do, but I'll just tell you, I'm going to then put the pork in the foil pan, and then the water and the oil, well, not the oil, the water from the seasoning, I'm gonna add some water to that, pour it over the pork and put it in the oven. So that's what we're gonna do. And if I saw you do it, well, you know, do it your way. Me, I do it my way. First time I'm trying this way. I don't know what flat on my head, but I'm gonna say I stop people do, and that me I go do. So I'm going back to my music. We love the life, we love the life, we love the life, we love the life. With the Bible, it's a double on the front seat all night on the one team, just so we'll vibe. We love the life, we love the life, we love the life. With the Bible, it's a double on the front seat all night, and that's why I'll start going back all the time, put it in the oven. Alright, so I just put 30 minutes on the oven for the pork. Just gonna wash up, because I like this wash up as I go. I'm just gonna wash up and then get that out of the way so that I'm gonna have to do that after. And then yeah, once that is done, let's go on to So guys, the pork is done. I just took it out of the oven. You can't tell me that it's not good. You can't talk to me. And I already shared and warm up my rice and peas, and now I'm just gonna go in and share my dinner because I'm hungry. It's like 6:30 now, so the time right there. It's 6:27. I'm hungry now, and so yeah, I'm not waiting. Dinner time. Guys, been off ask. I know it tastes good. Absolutely sure it tastes good. Can't wait for diving in. My mouth is salivates. I wish I had some veggies, but I don't. Not today, so no vegetables for today. But let's bless this meal. I'm gonna give a taste. Taste. Rice and peas, nice, flavorful, 10 out of 10. The gravy, Hey, man, chef, you know, I'm just annoyed. Time to try the pork. Listen, it's so tender. It's not dry. This tastes good. Anyway, I'm gonna finish eating it, you know, and then continue watching my movie. And yeah, I'll catch you guys either tomorrow or if anything else later. So see you later, man. Alright, I'm going one more bite. Oh, I'm not getting none here. Is that pork? Apologies to the non-pork eaters. May open one pork shop. A brown building there at the school. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. It's Friday, by the way, and where are we? What is it again? Richmond. We're in Richmond, BC. So we'll just stroll and view the town, see if we can see what Richmond is about. Are we here? This is such a weird save on, guys. This is like an old town vibe. This is the pharmacy at Treat Lickle.
No, this because the tourism sector.
All this. We're going to the thrift store. Thrifting. Yeah, this is not bad. One thing to know about Canadians, them like to thrift. Like, thrifting is a big part of the culture here. I don't know how them love it. It's just in my mind, people all broke. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, you do find some good things in the thrift store, but the joy and excitement to go thrifting, I don't get it. You know what it used to look like? Seattle. It used to look like when we went to Seattle. Let me turn the camera so y'all can see the Seattle view in BC. Right. Mini donuts. I love mini donuts. Tall people. Guys, this is such a beautiful area. Fisherman's Wharf. Get them to send to she, so she me send it to me. Come, take me, I go see you take my picture. I just stopped by a little food truck to get something to eat. I'm starved. Starving. There's 2 plantain chips. I'm not even like a pack, just 2 little plantain chips. My lashes look nice, see? Oh. Anyway, I'm hungry. So I'm buying a sandwich. So, show you when I'm done. Oh, thank you.
Good one.
Ooh, it's hot. Yes, I love it. Guys, I got my sandwich. Oh, hungry now? Goodbye.
Them can't touch me. Because I'm a teen, them nice, them can't get a kiss.
Look, I'm gonna I don't got water. Turkey and pork. Yeah, just know about it salty, but in the taste bad.
That's actually on the north coast of Morocco. How did they go?
They do such a thing. Like, we should say that it's because of a law that we passed. A law? Our court said that this is one of the reasons that people decided to come to Spain now. It is crazy, but unfortunately 34 people died. Some of them drowned. And some of them were crushed during the crowd surges. So we increased our forces and we blocked thousands from crossing the border. We are increasing our security too, but officials here are describing this as a security crisis and a humanitarian emergency.
So guys, this is a beach, but here's an interesting thing to note. You see how far, you see those people right there? Like, that's all mud. They have to walk so far to get to the water. Like, I've never seen anything like this. So like, if as far as your eyes can take you, this is where the sand stops, and then there are persons just walking all along there, all along there, all along there, all along there, and then all the way over is the actual beach. Like, interesting. I've never seen that. Guys, we decided to now walk come now on the beach, you know. So I'm go see. Woo. Let's see how it all feels. Sand. So here we are. Let's go. I'm putting it in. I'm gonna hold my phone properly. Okay. Okay. Woo! The water's cold. I feel the water not too bad. We're out here in the wild. The wild open sea. Can you see me? I'm happy I'm getting my foot to wash off. I feel like I could go as far out as all of these people, but I'll go out there. Let's keep walking. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. I came a little bit closer to show you guys. So like all of that is like you can just walk across to go meet the water there. I love it. And the water itself at the beginning here so look a little bit too not too clean for me, but beyond that it's beautiful. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna walk back up and go sit down. I wet my feet, which is important, and it feels nice, but I'm not even want to up in the sun for much longer, so I think I'm gonna walk back up that side where we are settled, where our things are. It's really nice. Like, you have all those homes on the mountains behind there. It's nice. It's always good just to take a little walk, and that's the thing too. Very quickly, guys, if you plan to live in Canada, you have to, what do you call it, maximize on the summer months, because once the summer is gone, I know it's a bad angle, but once the summer is gone, oh, it's gone, and you won't have it anymore. You can go outside, but it's different kind of activities because it's so cold. So if you're not a big fan of the cold, when it's winter, when it's summertime, be out here, maximize, enjoy the summer, because baby, it ain't here for a long time. Look at all those big ships, huge. But yeah, so anyway, I will catch you when we, I don't know, maybe when I'm back on the bus, I don't know, let's see. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is Saturday. Yesterday we were at the beach, and this is where I want to wrap up this week's vlog, but I have some beautiful flowers here, and I wanted you guys to see as I want to put them in the vase. I got them at the supermarket. It was at for my Canadian people, they call it Real Canadian store, so superstore. They are so pretty, guys, so pretty. So I want to put them on the dining table. I'm gonna try to put them on the coffee table. There they are, super pretty. Of course, I'm gonna have to cut the stems because it's too tall. And I want it to sit nicely. So I'm going to be using like the scissors to cut them at an angle. I'm also gonna change the water. I use like room temperature, which is next to being cold, but I guess these flowers are used to it. And I'm just putting that amount of water in there. They also give us like the plant food, which I want to pour into the water as well. I don't think I should throw all of it in there, so I'm just gonna put some because I want to see how long I can keep these flowers. And I'm doing a little bit of fix up today. Yeah. Look at rather dazzle. That should be enough. Yeah, I'm fixing up today. I haven't shared much with you guys yet, but we moved. We moved. And yeah, I don't know if it's them spray the plant them, to be honest. But whether it's them spray them or not, I love it. So I'm just gonna go in, cause it's at an angle, and pop it in it. I'm gonna show you guys once I'm done. But yeah, guys, this summer has been very good. I've had some really good time, done some really fun things, and I'm just happy that I've got an opportunity to be outside and I'm not just inside every day, because I don't like being inside. I'm not an inside kind of girl. Me and outside goes together real good, real good. So being able to be out there just like has made me extremely happy. Look at the pink. I'm wondering if them spray them. I don't know. I don't think it's possible for now. So, oh, beautiful. So pretty, so gorgeous. Stop. So gorgeous. So let's see where I'm gonna put it. So I was thinking to put it right here, or because we're still a try, you know, make the place look together right there. But I take the table too bare. I don't know. One thing, let me flip the camera. So right here, or do we leave it up here? Why never tell me say? We made a quick run to the supermarket and I wanted to show you some things that I got. Let's quickly do a grocery haul. We got bread. This is the main bag. We got eggs. Brown eggs is 18. Ripe bananas, because you ought to be eating healthy. So ripe bananas. These are from my husband, crisps. I've never known eat them, so okay. More of his snacks. So he got Bigfoot. I'm not a big fan of Bigfoot. I think it smell like a stinking foot. Mixed cheese for my omelette. Also cucumbers, because yesterday, as you saw in the video, I was snacking on them. It's actually not too bad, so we're going to snack on cucumbers when we're hungry. All-purpose seasoning. So this is Maggi all-purpose. Got some baby spinach, or some spinach. Again, more veggies. Butter, margarine. Got some Eggos for breakfast. Haagen-Dazs strawberry ice cream. You see this? I love this. Love this. I think this has now become my favorite. And I sprinkle cheese. Hello, I'm gonna make it, but I love this zone. I love it. Some chicken legs. A chicken leg pot. Some, what's this? Zero lemonade. That's the first bag. And that was from Canadian Superstore, and that one came up to $90. So all we just did was $90. Second box. This one is from Fresco or Chalo, they call it. $72, so that's 90 plus $72, about $160. He bought a breadfruit. Let's see how much of a breadfruit here, because somebody may be curious. The breadfruit is for $7. Let me show you. More juice. This is the pineapple zero sugar. Some Japanese sweet potato, because Japanese sweet potato. Sometimes you can get the Jamaican one, sometimes you can't, but this will do. Some carrots, baking powder, some mutton. So 3 parcels of mutton. Slab of shoulder roast. This is for pork. So box number 2 is done. And then lastly, we went to Costco. We got a new sheet. Got a new sheet for the bed, pillows, and this shrimp fried rice, like frozen shrimp fried rice. We had it yesterday at the park, well, at the beach, and it was yummy. It was our first time trying it out. We liked it, so we went and got it. So that's all for the grocery haul. And then the Costco bill came up to $130 for the pillow, the sheet, and the shrimp. $130. So when I say Jamaica expensive, foreign not cheap either. Just let me make that clear. So yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this week's vlog. This is where I'm gonna close it out, and until my next upload, just go and pick up on yourself. Remember to tell our friends, to tell them friends, to all them friends, to subscribe to Life with Tiffy. Bye.